Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today I thought I would show you my Duochromes from Pastel Roses. I think they're all from Pastel Roses. There may be one or two from Titmouse Cosmetics, but for the most part I got Multichromes from Titmouse Cosmetics. So yeah, they're all in this Anastasia palette, and I did want to take you along and organise it with me, but there was something wrong with the files. But I thought you'd want to see how I've organised it anyway. I mean, at the moment there's only half a palette really, and these two here are from Titmouse. So I thought what I would do is swatch everything for you instead, because obviously everything's in here, and I thought I would tell you. So yeah, I thought I would tell you all the shades of everything in the palette. I mean, can you notice how there's a lot of blues in here? I think I started off getting them from Pastel Roses. Well, I know I did. That was before I knew about Titmouse Cosmetics. I'll tell you all the new ones. All the new ones, I think, are these ones, that one, and those two down there. I think so, but I'll tell you them as we go along. So what we'll do is I'll tell you the names of them, and we'll swatch them. So how many have I got? I've got 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. That's not too shabby. And I've got a couple of Multichromes, I think, from Pastel Roses as well, which I'll show you at the end. So I think this one's called Lime Twist. So that's that one there. Is it? Yeah, I'm right. Lime Twist. They are quite sheer, but that's that one there. It does remind me of a shade in my Kaleidos palette, actually. My Kaleidos Punk Flower reminds me a little bit. Then we have, this is a new one, I think. Yeah, Nymph. So that's that one there. So these ones are greens. This one is from Titmouse, I think. No, it's not. It's from Pastel Roses. They all are. I don't know what I'm saying. Right, so that one is Nymph. I won't turn the light down, I'll turn it down at the end. Then we have Werewolf. This was from the Halloween collection, another green one. Surprise, surprise. Yeah, it was from the Halloween collection that Pastel Roses did. And they actually did a palette this year, a Halloween palette, which I was just itching to buy, but I never bought it. Kicking myself a little bit now. So that's Werewolf next to Nymph. Do I have any wipes? No, I don't think so. Well, I do, I just don't know where I've put them. And then the last one on that row is called Emerald, which surprisingly is another green. Anyone would think I love green. They are chunky. When I wear these, I think I'm gonna have to dig my glitter glue out. They are quite chunky. So that's Emerald there. Right, so now we're moving on to this middle row. These are all the blues. So this one here, I think, yeah, it's part of the older order. It's Amazonia. It's got like a green shift to it. and then the rest are all new. You can certainly tell the difference between the older ones and the newer ones. So we've got Skyfall, which is that one there. So that one's Skyfall. I do feel like this camera, this older camera I'm using now, this SLR, it allows me to show you the swatches better. So when I get the new memory card for the newer camera, I think I'm just going to use that for short my stash videos, like close-up things. I mean, obviously this is close-up, but because the LCD is on the back and I can't actually see what I'm showing you, this is better for me to show you like close-up like this. Is better. It might not be a better camera, but it is better. The next shade is Soothsayer, which again is another blue. I don't know if I'm too keen on this one. Obviously I'll need to try them on the eyelids, but that's Soothsayer there. This one, oh, this one's an older one. It's called Barbados. Look at that, guys. I do really like this one. See, with these Duochromes, these ones are just, most of them are just really, really glittery and kind of chunky. But the ones from Titmouse Cosmetics, but they are Multichromes, so they're probably, well, they'll be made differently, won't they? They're just so smooth. The next one is Riverside. I need something to wipe off my hands, don't I? This is a really dirty cloth. It needs to be washed, but this should do it. So Riverside's next. This one's quite smooth. Maybe there's glitter on top, and then when you use it a few times they go a lot smoother, but they're really, really sheer. Almost like toppers. Can you see Riverside there? This one again is an older one, Aurora. Again, that's really sheer. So far I like these, probably up to about the best. I'm sure you're not surprised at that. This one's new as well. What's this one called? Beetle. That one, it's a really, really funky shade. It's like a petrol shade. So that's that one there. Not having too much luck with batteries. I've just changed a battery and it's flashing at me. And the other one that I've just put on charge ran out on me. I've got another one in the front room, I think. So this one's an older one as well. It's called California. I just think this is one of Pastel Rose's shimmers, because I'm sure I didn't order this. I'm sure they gave it to me when I placed an order. Right, so that's California. And then we've got a red toned one, which is called Pink Lemonade. This is new. Look at that. So that one's Pink Lemonade. And then we'll swatch these ones here that I got for free. So we got this one is called Illinois. Yeah, see, it says Titmouse on it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up because it really truly is. It's not a rubbish camera, it's just the fact that I dropped the lens and I broke it. So that's my fault. You're not going to be able to see this, I don't think. That's Eleanor there. And then we've got Euler here, which should show up a little bit better, but it's a crumbly hot mess, guys. That's Euler there. Very sheer. Need a glitter glue with this. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's fallen into my hand. Right, Euler is there. That is probably going to need to go in the bin soon. Or I need to try and repress it. It's coming to bits, guys. I don't want it there if it's going to keep doing this. Right, I'll repress it with alcohol, but that's what it's looking like at the minute. Oh, it's done it again when I put it down. Right, I'm gonna throw it, guys, because I've got a shade like that from Colourpop, and look at it, it's just a complete frigging mess. I'm gonna put a picture of that shade so you can see it, but yeah, it's made my palette a mess. It was a free gift anyway, I've not paid for it. I might try. Right, so we've got 3 Multichromes. So we've got Spectrum, which looks like this. I don't know if I've shown you these before, I probably have. I'm going to put them here. Oh my gosh, look at that. So that's Spectrum. Hypnosis, which looks like that. Again, these are glittery. That's Hypnosis. The best one from Pastel Roses is this one. This was the most expensive one. It's called Marope. And it's the smoothest one as well. Guys, it's just amazing. Right, let's turn the light down and see what we can see. Probably not an awful lot, but that's what they're looking like. Oh, that's too dark. That's what they're looking like. So from here to here, they're Duochromes, and then turn it around and we've got the Multichromes. You just can't see anything, I don't think. Maybe on this one. But yeah, that's everything I've got so far. And what I've thought about doing is just taking you on my journey when I buy new shadows, showing you what I bought. But yeah, like for the moment, I'm going to be putting my Multichromes in here. I've said that before, haven't I? that one is in the wrong spot. I'm getting slightly OCD about this palette now, because I don't want anything to happen to it like it did that oiler shadow here. It's a shame really, because it is a nice colour, but it is a crumbly hot mess. Don't know if you can see it. But anyway, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.